Welcome to the enchanting world of coconuts, a tropical marvel that has fascinated humans for centuries.
Coconuts are known scientifically as Cocos nucifera, part of the Araceae family, which includes other palms.
Remarkably, coconuts can travel thousands of miles across the ocean, thanks to their buoyant and waterproof husks. There are more than 80 varieties of coconut trees worldwide, each with unique properties. A single coconut tree can produce up to 75 fruits per year, providing a consistent source of nutrition and materials.
Coconut water, once a survival resource for sailors, is now a global health trend for its electrolyte content. The term coconut can refer to the entire coconut palm, the seed, or the fruit, which is botanically a drupe, not a nut.
It takes about a year for a coconut to mature, from flower to fruit.
The coconut palm thrives in sandy soils, requires significant sunshine and regular rainfall to produce fruit.
Coconut trees are remarkably resilient, with some varieties able to withstand temperatures slightly below freezing.
The coconut's shell is one of the most versatile parts, used in crafting, as activated charcoal, and even in horticulture.
Coconut oil extracted from the meat has been utilized for centuries in cooking, cosmetics, and even as lamp fuel.
Lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid found in coconut oil, is known for its antimicrobial properties.
In several cultures, coconuts are used in religious ceremonies and symbolize life, fertility, and prosperity. Coconut meat is high in fiber, which can aid digestion and promote gut health. Coconuts are not only consumed, their fibers, known as coir, are used to make brooms, mats, ropes, and even potting compost. The coconut palm has been called the tree of life due to its wide array of uses, from food to shelter materials. Coconut milk and cream, derived from the meat, are staples in tropical cuisine and vegan cooking for their rich, creamy texture. Ancient mariners planted coconuts on newly discovered islands as a future sustainable resource. The folklore of many cultures includes tales where coconuts symbolize wisdom, resilience, and the duel between good and evil.
Coconut water naturally contains cytokinins, plant hormones that have been studied for their anti-aging effects on human cells. In traditional medicine, parts of the coconut tree, including the roots, bark, and flowers, have been used to treat a variety of ailments.
The Maldives features a coconut palm on its national coat of arms, highlighting the plant's importance to the island nation. During World War II, coconut water was used as an emergency substitute for IV fluids due to its sterility and electrolyte balance.
Farmers in tropical regions use coconut shells to retain moisture in the soil and provide shelter for beneficial insects.
The distinctive sound of horse hooves in movies is often made by clapping hollowed-out coconut halves.
The world record for the fastest time to husk a coconut is under 5 seconds, demonstrating skill and precision. Vertical stripes on a coconut can indicate its variety, each with a distinct flavor and texture profile.
Early European explorers coined the term coconut from the Portuguese coco, meaning grinning face, due to the 3 indentations on the shell.
Coconut groves are critical habitats for numerous wildlife species, offering food and shelter.
In beach erosion control, coconut logs are strategically placed to absorb wave impact and trap sand.
Coconut palms can grow up to 30 meters tall, standing as sentinels on tropical shorelines.
In some cultures, young children are taught to climb coconut trees, a skill vital for communal survival.
The versatility of coconuts goes beyond the culinary. Their oil is also a base for natural insect repellents.
Surprisingly, coconuts can also be processed into a form of biodiesel, contributing to renewable energy solutions.
Studies suggest that compounds found in coconuts may improve immune function and lower the risk of heart disease.
The floating journey of sea-dispersed coconuts has led to the wide distribution of the species across tropical islands.
By absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen, coconut groves play a role in combating climate change.
The sap of coconut flowers is used to produce a sweet syrup or fermented into a traditional alcoholic beverage.
Lastly, innovators are exploring the use of coconut-based materials in sustainable automotive and building materials, showcasing its eco-friendly potential.